Get ready, start. In the course of the discussion, it has been very ably pointed out by a large number of speakers as to how the rubber industry is in the grip of certain foreign elements and Indian monopolists at the top. Full stop. We know that there are small planters and producers, but the hold of the Dunlop company was also mentioned. Full stop. So far as the big industries are concerned, it has been their policy to capitalize the money and to put money in the reserve fund instead of utilizing such funds and profits for improvement of the working classes and for the betterment of the laborers. Full stop. It was pointed out yesterday that the Dunlop company gave very high dividends. Full stop. You will be shocked to know that while the company had money to declare a dividend of 40% and also to capitalize a part of the profits, it did not give at all a fair deal to the workers. Full stop. On the contrary, they were kept at more or less the same old level where they had a kind of labor, practically speaking. Full stop. Therefore, it becomes necessary to look into this matter. Full stop. Sir, we are interested in the increase in production and everybody is interested in the increase in production. Full stop. The production of rubber, coffee or of any other essential commodities or imported commodities must be increased in the full stop, but merely by appointing a board or by taking certain powers into the government's hands or investing the board with such powers. You cannot ensure increase in production. Full stop. There may be slight improvement here and there, but materially you cannot alter the situation until and unless you inspire the real producers by making them see through their own lives experience that increase of production means a constant rise in their standard of living, in their material and cultural well-being. Full stop. Now, that is why I say that it is very essential when the board is really being given certain powers for looking after the interests of the working class, to make these powers effective, and to make them effective would be to ask the board to work for the increase of the wages of the rubber workers or the laborers who work in that particular industry. Full stop. Now, that is not there. Full stop. It is a very unhappy omission and a very sad omission if the intention of the bill is good. Full stop. Sir, as you know, we had been told in the recent days very much about socialism, and we are not talking about socialism in its big aspects here at all. Full stop. This is not our concern here. Full stop. But if you at all really have such feelings, if you think that socialism is something which one has to swear by, even though the ideas of socialism were first propagated 1 century ago, then give some attention to it. Full stop. But we know that there will not be socialism at all under you. Full stop. Over. आप लोगों को जो भी वर्ड समझ में नहीं आया उसकी आउटलाइन आप देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी आउटलाइन सारी बनाई गई है इसमें। और आप लोग लिखने के बाद कमेंट जरूर बताइएगा कितनी आपकी मिस्टेक है ये। थैंक यू।